So good day guys, so in this video I'm going to show you in a step-by-step process how you can export a Tasker project, right? So many people are still wondering what is Tasker. So Tasker is an application that is majorly available for Android device right now, and it is used to perform different types of tasks on Android devices, right? Like you can use Tasker to automate just about anything on your Android device, right? So there has been an uprise of people using it for their to perform different type of tasks on their WhatsApp these days. So that is why it is gaining some kind of hype in Nigeria, particularly among WhatsApp marketers, right? So this is Tasker. As you can see, I've installed it already. It's on my phone right now. For you to install it, you have to pay a one-time payment of 1,500 naira, right? For you to be able to install Tasker, right? So Tasker requires you some programming to be able to use it so that you can use it to perform whatever you want to use it to perform. But I can't advise you, if you don't have the time, to start learning all the process of trying to understand how it works. But you can actually use it to perform different kind of amazing tasks. Talking about using it to save contacts with generic names, using it to save contacts with the real name of the leads, right? And also using it to save unsaved contacts on your WhatsApp, and many more stuff that you can use these Tasker applications combined with some amazing plugins like autoresponder, contact task, and more like that, right? So then I've attached some videos in the description below. Just check it out. Those videos are going to show you how to use Tasker to perform tasks like saving contacts with generic names and also saving those contacts with real names. So just check those video content out in the description below. So I want you to give this video a thumbs up. That means I want you to like it and subscribe to my channel if you are joining us for the first time. And I also want you to share this video to your family and friends that you feel this content will be useful and will be of great importance too. You want to send a particular project that you have created to somebody, right? You want to export it to them, right? So the first thing you want to do is to tag your Tasker. So for this purpose, this is the project I want to export right here. You can see. Right, so for you to export any project on Tasker successfully, the first thing you want to do after you have created the project is you want to rename, right? You want to rename that project, right? So for me to rename this particular project, this one right here, this one, for me to rename it, the first thing I want to do is tap on it. There will be a drop down, right? After I've tapped on it, let me just tap on this, okay? Then I will now long click, right? This autorespond or rule. I will long press it, right? Then this pop-up will show up. So I'm going to tap on this capital A. You are seeing here, this capital A. I'm going to tap on that right now to rename it. So I'm going to rename it save contacts. Save contacts. Save contacts. Real. Let me just put a real name. Save contact rename. Then I'm going to tap on. I will mark it. So now I have renamed it. That's the first thing you want to do. You have to rename that project or that profile for you to be able to export it successfully. After doing that right now, then I will tap on it so that the drop down can close, right? Then I will now highlight it again, right? I will highlight it again. So after highlighting it, now this time I'm going to click on this. I'm going to select these three dots right here. These three dots. Then I'm going to tap on that right now. Then you can see exports. So I'm going to tap on exports. Right? Look at this, guys. This is very important. This is the most important area. You don't want to select just about anything right here. You can see this as a link, description as clipboard, description, email, XML in email, XML to clipboard, XML to storage, data URI. So the only one that I will advise you that's very simple and easy, so that anybody who has sent this to can easily use it also, can easily utilize it and import it also, is just export this as a link, right? Export it as a link. If you have watched my previous video, you'll have seen that Importing a project as a link is very easy. So just tap on the link and the work will be done in few seconds, right? So I always advise people to export this as a link, right? So I'm just going to give a short description about this particular project, right? So save contacts with real name on WhatsApp. With real name on WhatsApp, then I will put the name of the programmer, which is me. Programmed by Fashtech. Alright, that's it. Then that is all for this. I'm just going to ignore all this right here, all these bypass, asking permission. You don't need that, just leave them. And I'm going to tap back once. So this is exporting right now. It's going to export it as a link. I'm just going to copy that link. And I can send it to anybody that wants it. So you can see copy. I just tap on copy. So this has been copied right now. So then I'll just go into my phone book, my anywhere where I want to send this. Let me just choose WhatsApp. Then I'm going to tap and send it to whoever I want to send this to. So let me just keep this right here. So I'm just going to long press and I'll paste. You can see this is the link, right? Task share, right? So that's the link. So anybody that I send this link to can easily import these projects on their phone with ease. So far they have Tasker installed and the necessary plugins to ensure that this actually work, and they'll be able to perform the same task that I can perform on my phone with this particular project I just exported, right? So if you have not liked this video, like it right now, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you are joining us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. So leave a question if you have it in the description below, and I will be there to check it out. Thank you and God bless.